Welcome to all in my YouTube online platform. I am Nitesh Jadhav. Today discussing that the research aptitude and important questions of the research aptitude useful as the PET examinations and others. So First question is research is purposeful systematic activity contains research is a purposeful and systematic activity. Okay, the research is always so रिसर्च में क्या होता है ऑप्शन ऑल ऑफ द वो बिकॉज ऑफ वेरीफाई करते हैं हम ओल्ड नॉलेज एक्सप्लोर करते हैं न्यू नॉलेज को नॉलेज के जो बीच गैप होता है हम फिल करते हैं फिलिंग द गैप्स बिटवीन द नॉलेज नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑल गुड रिसर्च एम्स एट सो developing generalizations, theories and principle. B is the correct answer. A grand theory. Correct answer is broad explanation of phenomenon in a discipline. Next question. The idea that knowledge comes from experience is. So is the right answer is D. Empirism. Next question. A theory is defined as. Correct option is C. Both A and B. Set of systematically related statements and a law-like generalizations. Epistemology refers to. Correct answer is D. A type of interviewing technique. Next question. Which of the following is a function of theory? Correct option is making predictions. Which of the following term explains the idea that knowledge comes from experience? So correct answer is C. That means logic. In every field, research pursued promote systematic and gradual advancement of knowledge, but discoveries are rare because option D is correct. Most people lack the depth of knowledge needed for it. Next question. One of the following is not a quality of researcher. This is not quality of researcher. So option is A. Unison with that of which he is in research. Option A is correct. Metaphysics means क्या होता है? Exploring the nature of ultimate reality. B option. The quality of research is judged by the options B. Methodology adopted in conducting the research. Next question. Which of the following is defined as a systematic method of evaluating statistical data based on the results of several independent studies of the same problem? So correct option is B. Meta-analysis. Next question. The quality of research study is mainly evaluated on the basis of. So correct option is the rigor with which was conducted. Option C is the correct. Which statement is not correct? So option is D. A good researcher is a nice person. Correct answer. Which of the following periodical is specifically meant for publishing research work? Correct answer is journal. बिकॉज हम जो भी आप पब्लिश करते हैं रिसर्च का वो जर्नल्स में पब्लिश करते हैं. Which of the following options are the main task of research in modern society? So option is A is the correct. Modern society's research main task क्या होता है? So to systematically examine and critically analyze the investigations sources with objectivity, to discover new things, and last, to keep pace with the advancement in knowledge. ठीक है, next question. Which of the following description is true in context of defining theory? So option is correct A. An organized body of concepts and principles intended to explain a particular phenomenon. Research can be conducted by a person who, correct option is C, possesses thinking and reasoning ability. The best quality of researcher is curiosity, active imagination and ability. Option D, all above. सारी क्वालिटीज होनी चाहिए. Option 22 question. The result of building up information from pieces of information is known as. So option is correct B, synthesis. The result of setting out a reason argument in steps is known as. Option is C is the correct, and evaluation. A researcher is generally expected. एक रिसर्चर है क्या एक्सपेक्ट करता है वो जनरली? सो ऑप्शन इज बी करेक्ट. Generate new principles and theories. What do you consider as the main aim of interdisciplinary research? So option is correct A, to bring out holistic approach to research. Next, one of the essential characteristic of research is. So option is correct B, generalizability. The depth of any research can be judged by depth. Option B is the correct. Objectivity of research. Next question. Which of the following statements is true about the theory? जाहिर सी बात है, सभी ओके. It explains phenomenon in simple manner. It explains the how and why questions. It can be a well-developed explanatory system. Because of all of them. Which of the following is a function of theory? So option is D correct, all of the above. That means explaining the phenomena, summarizing the current knowledge, making predictions. ये सभी करते हैं theories के अंदर. Next question. The feasibility of research study generally depends upon. Option D is correct, all of the above. Because of feasibility के अंदर cost factor, time required to conduct research, skill set of the researcher, ये सभी आती है. Next question. An empiricist believe that. So option is C correct. Knowledge is acquired through our sensor perceptions. The experimental study is based on. Correct option is C, both A and B. Law of single variable and manipulation, दोनों पे डिपेंड रहता है एक्सपेरिमेंटल स्टडी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द पोजीशन हेल्ड बाय अ पॉजिटिविस्ट as far as acquiring knowledge is concerned? So option is correct B. Scientific research should be based on value-free empirical observations. Next question. The approach which is based on the assumption that social phenomena can be explained by observing cause and effect is that's called as a positivism. An ontological question is usually about option B is correct. Study of things outside ourselves and external reality. Next question. Which of the following is not a characteristic of researcher? So option D is correct. Not versatile in his interest and even in his native abilities. An important practical issue to consider while designing a research project is, so correct option is C, availability of time and other resources. C is the correct answer. Research can be classified as research basic, applied, action research, quantitative, qualitative, philosophical, historical survey and experimental सभी होते हैं, all of the above. The two main approaches of our researches are, option is D, qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative means this is a unstructured approach, and quantitative is the structured approach for deductive method, and qualitative inductive method. Question 40. A research design an experiment to test how variables interact to influence how well children learn spelling words. In this case, the main purpose of the study is explanation. Qualitative research is option B is correct, primarily concerned with in-depth explorations of phenomena. ओके, मैच लिस्ट एक टेबल दिया हुआ है, सो मैच करना है हमें. सो हिस्टोरिकल मेथड में क्या आता है, पास्ट इवेंट्स होते हैं हिस्टोरिकल में. सो ऑप्शन इज ए. हिस्टोरिकल में पास्ट इवेंट तो आता है. सर्वे मेथड, सर्वे करते हैं प्रेजेंट टाइम में करते हैं. एक्सपेरिमेंटल मेथड क्यों करते हैं, क्योंकि फ्यूचर एक्शंस, एंड फिलोसॉफिकल इज अ विजन. ओके, करेक्ट आंसर इज ए. नेक्स्ट 43. Which of the following research specifically requires objectivity to discover facts and causes from the data gathered for the purpose? So option is correct, option A, quantitative research. Because of क्या कहा है, डाटा क्वांटिटी है, quantitative research. Which of the following is classified in the category of development research? So option is correct, D. डेवलपमेंट रिसर्च, डेवलप करना चाहते हैं कुछ, उसमें फिलोसॉफिकल भी आता है, एक्शन भी आता है और डिस्क्रिप्टिव भी आता है. ओके, 45. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इन साइकोलॉजी and education experimental research is also termed as. So option is correct A, stimulus response research. Which of the following is not the method? मेथड नहीं है, ऑब्जर्वेशन मेथड नहीं है. ये आप ध्यान रखिएगा, नॉट. फंडामेंटल रिसर्च इज यूजुअली कैरिड आउट. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट, लैबोरेटरी कंडीशंस. 48. Next question. The research that applies the law at the time of field study to draw more and more clear ideas about the problem is. Option is correct, applied research. The research which is exploring new facts through the study of the past is called. Past में O B is the correct answer. Historical, because of past. Philosophical research आगे का है, विजन. कई बार क्या होता है, क्वेश्चन में ही आंसर दिया होता है, जैसे कि ये दिया है, स्टडी ऑफ द पास्ट इज कॉल्ड. पास्ट का स्टडी हम किस रिसर्च में करते हैं? हिस्टोरिकल रिसर्च. The scientific method can be used. Option C, both in physical and social science. दोनों में करते हैं. Next 51. Action research is. Option E, correct option. Research carried out to solve immediate problems. Action research, immediate problem हम solve कर देंगे. 52. In the method of naturalistic observation there will be. So option is correct, C, set out to actively observe subjects in their natural environments. Next question. Which of the following is a form of explanatory research in which the researcher develops a theoretical model and empirically tests the model to determine how well the model fits the data? So correct option is A, causal modeling. 54 questions. Match the following two lists. So option correct is D option. एक्सपेरिमेंटल में क्या? कंट्रोल. हिस्टोरिकल, दैट मीन्स क्रिटिसिज्म. केस स्टडी में हम क्या करते हैं? सो इंटेंसिव. एथनोग्राफी इज इंटरप्रेटिव. नेक्स्ट, one of the aims of scientific method in research is to. So option B is correct, eliminate spurious relations. The term phenomenology is associated with the process of. Option is correct, qualitative research. Which research approach is the most appropriate to establish a relationship that causal nature? So option B is correct, experimental. The important prerequisite of a research in science, social sciences and humanities are. So option is correct, B. Supervisor, topic, critical analysis and patents. Books and records are the primary sources in data. Option correct is A, historical research. Next question 60. The type of research that tests hypotheses and theories in order to explain how and why a phenomenon operates as it does is. So option is correct. C. Explanatory research. Fundamental research reflects the ability to. Option is correct. B. Expound new principles. The classification of studies into exploratory, descriptive, analytical, or predictive research is based on. So option is D correct. Purpose. Based on is purpose. The strongest evidence for causality comes from which of the following research methods? So option is correct. A. Experimental. Because of strongest evidence, causality, experimental method. 64. One of the limitations of the case study is that. So option is B correct. There are no control groups. 65. Which of the following is research method is termed as control observation? So option is C correct. Field experimentation. Field work based on research is classified as. So option is correct. A. Empirical research. Which of the following is not longitudinal design? So option B is correct. Cross-sectional. When a researcher starts with the development dependent variable and moves backwards is called as. So option B is correct. Retrospective research. The study in which investigators attempt to trace an effect is known as. Option B is correct. Ex post facto research. The essence of the experimental method is. The correct option is D. Using control to identify cause and effect connections. Which research paradigm is based on the paramagnetic views of reality? So option is C correct. Mixed research. Which research paradigm is not much concerned about the generalizing its findings? So option B is correct. Qualitative research. Qualitative. Which of the following best describes quantitative research? Option D is correct. Research that attempts to generate a new theory. All the following are common characteristics of experimental research. Correct option is D. All of them. Experimental research में क्या आता है? It relies primarily on the collection of numerical data. It can produce important knowledge about cause and effect. It uses the deductive scientific method. Next question. Which type of research is likely to provide the strongest evidence about the existence of cause and effect relationship? Option B is correct. Experimental research. Research in which the researcher uses the qualitative paradigm for one phase and the quantitative paradigm for another phase is known as. So option is D correct. Mixed method research. 77. Research that is done to understand an event from the past is known as. Option is B correct. Historical research. From the past. The type of research typically conducted by the teachers, counselors, and the other professionals to answer questions they have and to specifically help them solve local problems. So this is a Correct option is A, action research. Immediate action. That means immediate solution. 79. Which form of reasoning is the process of drawing a specific conclusion from a set of premises? So option is correct B, deductive reasoning. Research that is done to examine the findings of someone else using the same variables but different people in which of the following? So option is C, correct, replication. Because of same variables but different people, that means replica. Copyright. 81. Which scientific method is a top-down confirmatory approach? Option is A, deductive method. Scientific method, top-down or confirmatory approach. This means that quantitative research. Which scientific method is a bottom-up or generative approach to research? This means that inductive method. B is the third answer. The method of drawing conclusions based on the observation of each and every instance of population is called, option B is correct, deductive method. Which of the following is not a characteristic of good theory of explanation? So option is D, correct. All of them. It is persimmon testable. It is general enough to apply to different situations. 85. Which scientific method follows these steps? Observation, data, patterns and theory. So option is correct. A option is correct, inductive. Inductive method, qualitative that. क्वालिटेटिव रिसर्च में हम ये सब करते हैं. Which scientific method is top-down or confirmatory approach? Option A, deductive method. 87. Which of the following terms can be associated with research in social sciences? Option B, empirical research. Which scientific method focuses on testing hypotheses developed from theories? So option A is correct, deductive method. Which scientific method focuses on generating new hypotheses and theories? Option is B, inductive method. That's mean qualitative. Which research method is most appropriate if a researcher is looking for a causal relationship? Option A, experiment. Most appropriate, correct. Research is looking for causal relation, causal. That's mean experiment. यहाँ पे आप एलिमिनेशन मेथड भी यूज कर सकते हैं, एलिमेंट कर सकते हैं ऑप्शंस. 91. A field experiment is one that takes place in, option A is correct, real world. फील्ड वर्क या जो फील्ड स्टडी हम करते हैं, फील्ड एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं, वो हम रियल वर्ल्ड में करते हैं. उसको दूसरी भाषा में हम सर्वे मेथड भी बोलते हैं. 92. Characteristics of the scientific method necessarily include, option B is correct, controlled observation. A correlational study determines, option is D, the relationship between two events. That's mean correlational. द क्वालिटेटिव रिसर्च इज यूजली क्वालिटेटिव रिसर्च में क्या होता है, इंडक्टिव मेथड होता है, और क्वांटिटेटिव क्या होता है, डिडक्टिव होता है। क्वांटिटी जो है उसमें स्टैटिस्टिक आता है, कंप्यूटर डाटा आता है, सो वो डिडक्ट होते रहता है। क्वालिटेटिव जो है पैटर्न है, थेरीज है, वो इंडक्टिव थेरीज। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टाइप्स ऑफ रिसर्च इज एसोसिएटेड विथ थ्योरी जनरेटिंग? 95. Which of the following types of research is associated with theory generating? So option is A is the correct, inductive. Qualitative research, जो क्वालिटेटिव रिसर्च में हम थ्योरी जनरेट करते हैं, एग्जाम पैटर्न है वो हम जनरेट करते हैं। 96. Which of the following of research is associated with theory testing? थ्योरी टेस्टिंग करते हैं, वो भी हम इंडक्टिव में ही कर देंगे। तो 96 ऑप्शन बी, डिडक्टिव। थ्योरी टेस्टिंग हम क्वांटिटेटिव रिसर्च, थ्योरी टेस्टिंग दैट्स मीन्स उसमें डाटा आता है, जो हमें टेस्टिंग के रिजल्ट मिलेंगे उसमें डाटा होगा। वो डाटा किस में होगा, स्टैटिस्टिक में होगा या कंप्यूटर में होगा। तो दिस इज मीन दैट क्वांटिटी, डिडक्टिव रिसर्च। 97. A non-government organizations conducted a study in Gram Panchayat to see the impacts of combined approach on enrollment and retention of rural elementary school children. This is an example of, एक इसका एग्जाम्पल हुआ, सो ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, फील्ड एक्सपेरिमेंट। सर्वे मेथड आप हमें जिस बोलते हैं, सर्वे मेथड, फील्ड एक्सपेरिमेंट। 98. द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ स्टडीज इंटू एक्सप्लोरेटरी, डिस्क्रिप्टिव, एनालिटिकल, प्रेडिक्टिव रिसर्च इज बेस्ड ऑन। ऑप्शन इज डी, पर्पज ऑफ द रिसर्च। 99. Research study that takes place over a long period of time is termed as। 99 option B, longitudinal research। क्वेश्चन में ही आंसर है लॉन्ग पीरियड। लॉन्ग पीरियड के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, लॉन्जिट्यूडनल। नेक्स्ट and last question in this session, the main difference between longitudinal and cross-sectional research is in terms of, option is A, frequency of data collection। जो longitudinal है ये डिपेंड करता है पीरियड पे, और ये जो क्रॉस सेक्शनल है वो जो डिपेंड करता है डाटा कलेक्शन, फ्रीक्वेंसी कितने पीरियड के बाद हो रही है, टाइम कितना लग रहा है। सो आज के सेशन में हम इतना देखा। सो ये थे क्वेश्चंस, इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस इन द ये थे क्वेश्चंस जनरल, ये थे क्वेश्चंस रिसर्च एप्टीट्यूड के इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस थे, हमने देखे। आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगा तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा। थैंक यू।